Bitcoin, no! What's going on in the crypto world? You wanna know the last information? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto a tope. So today we are not happy again. Why? Because Bitcoin is going down, it's going south, and we're still fighting with the $26,000 line, which is crazy boring for this time. Also consider that we might go lower. How so? Because dollar broke the line we didn't want it to break. Here you can see it. We have the death emoji now. Because if dollars goes up, then stock market and crypto should go down. That's something we don't like. Here you can see how it broke the line we drew some time ago, and now we are not sure if it's just here in the monthly finding support in the very same line and it's going to go higher to new highs, or where to find the new resistance so we can be happy with Bitcoin and the stock market again. So maybe we have to find this line, this horizontal line with previous resistances and supports, and also with the line coming from the previous high. Or maybe we have some news about this behavior for 19-20 September with the next Fed decisions for the rates. Maybe so. We'll see that here in FunOntheRide. Remember to smash the like button. We'll follow through dollar's behavior and how that works out for Bitcoin, that maybe will bounce in $22,000 like we told you in previous videos. Watch them all if you want more technical analysis. Also, watch the last video we did about Bit2Me, because this month is going to be huge news for the platform. So you better watch that video if you didn't already. I warned you to do that. Are you then having some fear right now like the market is having? Well, remember that maybe we just need to be patient. Like here, for example, with the Scalping Pro, you have this chart for Bitcoin and you can see the down channel. So the idea is that here in the middle of that down chain channel, I have no clue what's that whatsoever. But once we break the middle part, then we start the bull run. It happened 2 times in the past. It will happen again maybe. Just we need to be more patient. It's getting long, but we will eventually make it. Also with crypto, Robert telling us here that we have the stochastic with the 5-day chart giving us a buy signal. Also in the monthly chart, in the weekly chart, sorry, you have that line that's telling you, that sign that's telling you that we are going to go higher as we did in the past. And maybe Robert here telling us we're going to find support eventually and break this triangle we are in right now. And he believes, Mr. Crypto, that is going to be a breakout that is going to be historic, because we have the legendary support we told you about in previous videos. Remember that some people is rich thank you to crypto. We have a new report now suggesting that 182 individuals who held more than $100 million worth of crypto, 78 were Bitcoiners. In addition, 6 out of 22 crypto traders who held more than 1 billion amassed their fortunes from trading with Bitcoin. So why we are not one of those? Well, maybe in the future we'll be. There are a lot of people now, millionaires with crypto. So let's be patient. Remember that we have adoption. El Salvador is going to add Bitcoin education to all public schools next year. This is good for Bitcoin, but this is also good for these people because they are going to learn about money. They won't let you learn about that in school, but now in El Salvador, they are going to have the mind in what's really money. And then they have a better chance to make the country improve in their lives. Also, considering adoption, MetaMask is expanding functionality. Users can now cash out their Ethereum for fiat. The popular wallet aims to enhance users' convenience by enabling direct transfers to bank accounts. And also, maybe bad news that Jim Cramer is buying BNB and is bullish on Binance, according to CNBC. but this is a good thing that it's not true. If it were true, we are doomed, because remember, this is the really official counter indicator in the crypto world. But this is just some fake news. We knew about that. So be careful again with this kind of information, because this was just manipulation. More good news. Well, you have here this Fidelity's August report from August 2023 that they titled Ethereum Investment Thesis. And that means that they are interested in Ethereum. So you know that more and more huge institutions are coming into crypto. And here you can see one of those, 646 billion asset manager AB Bernstein, predicting a spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved between mid-October and mid-March 2024. We have to be patient. Here you have another chart in order to give you that perspective that maybe in the future will be okay with the logarithmic scale or whatsoever. The bubbles are quite crazy today, the crypto projects, the most important ones trying to fight for being in the green. And we had some spike for Dogecoin allegedly after Elon Musk's biography reveals he quietly funded Doge. We have a biography for Elon Musk. It's going to be released. I leave you the link in the description. We also read in the past this one. I leave you the link in the description. It's not in our books recommended section in www.FunOntheRide.com, but it should be there. We will. I just forget about it. But in any case, the idea here is that allegedly Musk discreetly financed contributions to the development of the popular meme coin from the beginning. So he was there then. Is Elon Musk Satoshi Nakamoto? Maybe so. In any case, I don't see that spike for Dogecoin just a little bit. So more and more Elon Musk is losing its touch for moving the market. Here you can see that he also wrote live at the block, die by D. And I asked ChatGPT that I have in my cell phone already. And it says saying live by the clock, die by the clock suggests that adhering strictly to a rigid schedule or routine can have both benefits and drawbacks. It implies that highly structured life might lead to predictability and efficiency, but it can also result in lack of spontaneity and enjoyment. But it didn't say live by the clock. It said live by the block. So we are talking about crypto here. Some speculate about that. Ethereum not moving, still flat. And about Coinbase Layer 2, you need to know that the network suffered its first major outage since launch. Also, for more Ethereum alternatives, Solana is having very good information. Now breaking that Visa is launching stablecoin payment on Solana. So now Visa is going to have both Ethereum platform and Solana for its cross-border settlements. So interesting to know what would you use Solana for that? And why is Visa interested in this? Any case, Solana allegedly emerging as top choice for altcoins with record inflows. I see the chart from Solana quite sad, and also consider that in the same day we have this piece of information. Solana users fall to lowest level in more than 2 years. So you know this is not a project I love. I found this tweet to make fun of Solana. If Solana had an Amazon reviews, you had this in English, it would say things like, in 2020 they lied about the circulating supply, saying that it was 8 million, but it was actually 20 million. And many things, like they claim 65,000 TPS, but they are just close to 2K. The rest of the transactions are the massive amount of consensus messages between validators and much more that you can read if you want. So maybe you don't understand English absorbed in this video, but for the Spanish version of this video, I want to teach you how to use Yandex Translate, because I ask Bing, also use Bing, you have their ChatGPT, and I ask how to translate this picture. So it would redirect me to this translate.yandex.com, and there you just drop the file, and here we have it in English, in Spanish, Russian, or however you want, and it comes from a picture. You can also have the picture in Spanish you have it here. So learn about this Yandex Translate thing, because I think it's quite awesome, the things we can do already today. Now about XRP, Ripple relocking 800 million XRP of this month's tokens unlocked. So maybe that's good for the token. Remember that we told you in past videos, smash the like button. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much. Use the link in the description below. Watch yesterday's video. We told you that we're going to touch again this line. I think that, but again, I'm not financial advisor. This is not advice. I have no idea whatsoever what's gonna happen. Any case, now about the gaming, Coin Bureau telling us it's pretty depressing to learn that the world blockchain has become toxic in the gaming community. Why? We need the gaming community in order to have the next retail push, but now they call us crypto bros, and we have some controversies like this project that was advised with by Mr. Beast, which is an amazing YouTuber with millions of subscribers and views. But now they are saying that they didn't know it was related with crypto, or they are now asking if it's an NFT or it's not an NFT, and they like kind of hate NFTs. I think the crypto gaming community is not telling the story right, and the gamers are not understanding how interesting it is for you to have all those items in a way that they can't steal them from you, they can't manipulate it. We need to teach this community why this is important. Any case, we will keep on learning and teaching and watching video cats. Here are some gamers. This is a golf gamer stacking Satoshis all the time. Here, a guy just playing with Axie Infinity all the time. Is a cat that is also a control. Here you have this one asking this guy to stop playing. Please, let's play like we did in the past. Let's forget about LOL and let's play some music like this cat is doing. So funny. Let's just now go to rest for a little bit and find more crazy information, interesting information to share with you here in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party, and peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!